Hey everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a happy mail that I received, and this is from Miss Lorraine Platero. Unfortunately, she doesn't have a YouTube channel, not that I'm aware of. If you ever do get one, Lorraine, let us know immediately so we could go ahead and start subscribing to you. But I know she's just a crafter that loves to craft and support other crafters. So thank you so much for your support, Miss Lorraine. And I will turn it around and show you guys the other side. It's just basically the same plain with our addresses. I don't want to show our addresses. So let's go ahead and open this. So let me go ahead and open it up because there's, as you guys could see, a lot of tape. And this might take me a while. So okay, so I am back. I just cut into this and I think this is glued on here. Oh my goodness, I might have, let me open it right here. Yay. So let's go ahead and see what Miss Lorraine sent us. Her last package, she sent it to me something similar type to this, and I love this craft paper. It is so nice, so I am gonna try to save as much of it as I can. So let me go ahead and pull it out. This is what it looks like so far. And OMG, oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, you guys, these are a must-have and a must-have like in your craft room. I'm always using this. This is the main what is foaming tape that I use at all times. So thank you so much. Oh my goodness. And oh my goodness, she sent me all these nice trims. Oh, I am gonna have fun. And she put them all in a Ziploc bag. And oh my goodness, she must have heard me when I said I had no trim. Oh my goodness. So she sent me this little cute trim, pearl trim. And thank you so much because I've been needing some so badly. And here you go. She said, oh, these are so cute. I love the colors. And this right here as well. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, you could either cut this in strips or use it in a whole way like this. Thank you so much. So I know she watches most of all my videos. I don't want to say all of them because maybe not, but oh my goodness, thank you. OMG, this is nice. I like this. This is like a lace. Beautiful, really beautiful. Hopefully you guys could see. This is really beautiful, you guys. Wow. There you go. And then she sent me this one. Oh, look at how pretty. I've never seen these before. Wonder where you got them from. And look at this one. Oh my goodness. I love this one. This one has like pearls in it. This is what it looks like. Can you guys see? So beautiful. Oh my goodness. Thank you for sharing some of your trims and these with me. Oh my goodness. I lost my lace. I lost concentration. This lace is like the yellow one. So pretty. Oh, and there's a white one here. Oh, this is pretty. Thank you so much, Miss Lorraine, for sharing your stash with me. Thank you, thank you. It was stash. And then she sent me, oh, I like this little bag. Oh, did you make this bag? No, no, probably not. Oh, this is such a cute bag. I love this bag. Where'd you get it at? Okay. Aww. Aww. Thank you, Miss Lorraine. And then, sorry, I have to read the note over here. Aww. Aww. Okay. I'm gonna read a little bit more of this later on because it's gonna make me cry. So anyways, so she sent me these right here, snowflakes. So pretty. Oh my goodness. So she did mention she saw my pouch tutorial, and thank you, because you know what, I'm gonna be doing more. I'm not too sure if I want to do more Christmas or I want to start Valentine's already. Valentine's is already around the corner. Like, oh my goodness. Oh, I love this one. Oh my goodness. And oh, you know, I've been needing acetate paper. And thank you so much. I'm gonna put it around this way so I don't want it to scratch. I think there's 2 in here. Oh, okay. I think it's like the glue, or you just take the lining out. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. I've never actually bought an acetate. I usually use linings from what is it called? Oh my goodness. The paper. Let me show you guys. This is what I use for acetate. These pouches right here. See how I already broken? This is the only one I had, so I already broke into it. So this is what I end up using. This I forgot what they're called right now, so just wanted to show you. So thank you. So I'm so excited in using that. She sent me some, I can't say the word, vellum, and this is what one looks like. She sent me 2, ones with the bigger polka dots, and this is a smaller polka dot, and they're just plain ones. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Thank you. And then I think I see another acetate over here. There's another one over here, so I've got to be very careful and make sure. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And then Miss Lorraine, last year she blessed me with let me see, with oh my goodness, where is it at? With this paper pad right here, the sugar plums. Never saw it in my Michael's, and then she sent me one, and I was so excited, and I've been breaking into it. It's been really hard to break into it because it is so beautiful, and I just want to hoard it, but I've been using it. Not as much as I should, but I've been creating with it. So this year, thank you so much, Miss Lorraine. She blessed me with the Silent Night, and from what I was hearing, it's really hard to find in California or around here. I don't have a Michael's near me. I think my closest Michael's is like an hour and 15 minutes away, maybe. So thank you so much. Like, you do not know, you've been a blessing with this my Christmas paper this past few years. So thank you, Ms. Lorraine. Really appreciate it. And I'm gonna go do a flip through because I have not seen this. And if you still wanna watch with me, you're welcome. If not, thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting. And oh my goodness, so I'm still gonna watch. I'm still gonna see this. So sorry. So this is what's one. Well, this is the same. This is the other one. How pretty. It's so pretty. And look at these with the poinsettias. Oh my goodness. And look at this one. Can you guys see? Oh my goodness. I'm trying to do the 2 pages at once. Oh wow. This is pretty. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Ms. Lorraine. Oh my goodness. You do not know how much of a blessing this has been, that you've sent me this Christmas paper. And I will break into it, but just give me my time. Give me my time to enjoy the beauty of it first before I start sharing it. And this is beautiful. I like the, oh my goodness, I don't know what they're, tweaks I want to say, but they're not tweaks. They're just, what is it called? Oh my gosh, starts with an F. Oh my goodness. So look at this, you guys. OMG. It reminds me a little of the sugar plum one, but this one's more nice and soft and just like, oh, so beautiful. Dashing through this. Now, can you guys see that one? Oh, let me see. Let me move this a little bit. There you go. This one right here. This one right here. Oh, this one's gorgeous. I love that one. So far, that one's my favorite. Oh my goodness. These are so beautiful. OMG. And this one, oh my goodness. Like the colors are not that strong. They're really soft. And that's what I love about it. Wow. Did I show you guys this one or did I just like... No, I did show you guys. These are so darn cute and adorable. Oh, this bow. Oh my goodness. Let's see. And this one right here. And that's it, I think. Wait, no. Let me see my page. There you go. So cute. Oh my goodness. Miss Lorraine, thank you again. I don't know how many times I'm going to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate all this. This is a big blessing. Thank you for sharing some of your beautiful trim. And I'm going to put this in here so that way I don't mess it up. Again, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Thank you so much, Miss Lorraine. I don't know how many times, like I already told you, I don't know how many times I'm going to say it. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.